fuel lines connect the injectors to the rail. A stable pressure level is maintained at all times for the injectors of all cylinders. The quantity and length of the injection can be controlled electronically at any time, regardless of the crankshaft angle. Bosch solenoid valve injectors control the nozzle needle so quickly that the injection process can be divided into pre, main, and post injections, up to 8 separate partial injections per power stroke. The pre-injection serves chiefly to reduce combustion noise, and the post-injection to reduce internal engine particulate or to raise the exhaust temperature. The high pressure results in a very finely atomized spray of fuel. Tiny fuel drops exhibit a large surface area in relation to volume. That promotes a speedy combustion process on the one hand, and on the other hand, helps reduce the particulate mass in the emissions. The injection is consistently configured for a clean, quiet-running engine and the lowest possible fuel consumption.
Bosch. Invented for life.